What's up guys, in this tutorial we are going to cover how to squeegee out the water from a rear windshield. First thing you want to do is spray the film, and I am going to smooth out the film with my tint brush. You do not need this tool, but it does make it a little bit easier. When you first start, you can use your hands. You are basically pushing out any large air pockets so you don't accidentally create a crease with your squeegee. I am pushing out the film in 4 sections just like we did the shrink. Now take your squeegee and we are going to create a line down the middle horizontally and vertically. You want to split the film into 4 sections just how you did when you were shrinking the film. We are going to squeegee twice, so this first pass can be a soft pass, but make sure your second pass is a firm pass. Now squeegee each section out. Pay attention to the angle on my squeegee. Depending what corner I am on, I am changing the angle so the water is being pushed in the correct direction. For example, the top left corner, I want the water to go left and up. On the defroster lines, always squeegee horizontal with a slight angle to go downward or upward depending on the corner you are on. So right here on this bottom left, I am pushing out with a slight angle. The water is going out and down. Since the bottom portion cannot be reached with the squeegee, we have to use the bulldozer. I am going to spray the bottom half and start pushing the water out with my bulldozer. Make sure to add adequate pressure to push out as much water as possible, and make sure you're pushing in overlapping passes. I am adding pressure with the tip of the bulldozer on the glass and pushing down. Once all the way down, I release pressure and pull my bulldozer back out. Be careful not to accidentally peel the film back when doing this. Now spray the glass, and we are going to repeat that same process one more time, but this time make sure you are using firm pressure and inspect as you go so you don't leave behind any water bubbles or pockets. If you haven't already, if you could smash the like button and subscribe to my channels, I would really appreciate that. If you do have any questions, drop a comment below and make sure to check out the description for any useful links. And that is how you squeegee out a rear windshield. If you do have any fingers that pop up after install, apply some heat on the outside of the glass and push down with your contour. Remember to let the car sit in the sun for 30 minutes and inspect your work before letting the customer know the vehicle is ready for pickup. And if you made it through the whole course, thank you for the support. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be adding to the course as time goes on, so make sure to follow me on all social media platforms for updates.